Rosario.
Guys, tayo naman ay magbabalik sa akin sa YouTube channel ko. At ngayon ay maglalaro tayo ng Nightmare Files Club Club. So, kung di pa kayo nakasubscribe, baka naman mag-subscribe naman kayo dyan. At i-click nyo na din ang like at notification bell para always kayong naka-update sa aking mga na-upload kong video. So, huwag tayo papaliboy-liboy. Magsimula tayo. Let's go. So, dito tayo sa Nightmare Files Club Club. So, bago tayo magsimula, mag-like o mag-subscribe. Mag-play na tayo. Pati ng ilong ko, guys. October 8, 1984. I saw an ad in the newspaper about a house-sitting job. Since I was short on cash, I decided to sign up. Ang ganda ng ano. Ang ganda. Ato GTA. Gawin natin. By Maxim's house. Okay. Excuse me, I'm trying to find a house on this street. Could you help me out? Sure, which house are you looking for? I'm looking to Maxim place. He hired me to look after it while he's away. Maxim? Ah, that is interesting. He usually asks me to watch his place. I'm Michael Potowski, by the way. Nice to meet you, Michael. Can you tell me where his house is? Of course. It's 2 houses down, mine right here. Our neighbors, Sabo in the middle, and then Maxim plays you and miss him. I miss it. It's improved. Thanks, Michael. I appreciate it. No problem. Now, if you'll excuse me, I just go my home automation system in the mail. I'm really excited. Oh, that sounds interesting. What does it do? Well, it's supposed to make life a whole lot easier. You know, co- controlling the light, temperature, even the security system, critical stuff. Wow, that doesn't sound convenient. Why did you decide to get it? Partly because of the recent disappearance happening around here, but mainly because our neighbor Sable got one and won't stop raving about it. Philip Corporation, right after installing it, said it has built in surveillance system and all. Guess he wanted to keep an eye on things while he is away. Well, I hope you enjoy setting it up. Thanks again for the direction, Marco. No problem. If you need anything, I'm just a house away. Ganun. Kakamukha kasi ng bahay eh. Dilim pa. Ay, directable. Ano ba yun? Ito ata akin eh. Kasi nakasuot ang kanan. Diba? Kailangan right. Ito. Okay. So, City within the tower paths. Yan. Ang ganda ng ano, bakit? Kamay. 嗯，mabait ang usapan. Thanks for visiting. Please make sure to check the mailbox, water plants, the auto trash, and yes, rescue to the tangle the lights, on up and in any room. PSS. Once you finish, help your set to the bottom kitchens. Okay. Check the mailbox, water the plants, the auto trash. Okay. Okay. Ah, kaya pala ano, pag-yun lang. Sa tayo nagala. At tayo. Sige. Pag-lap-lap. Hmm. Ano to? Sabi. Bakit? Ewan, bumukas eh. Last one. Ayaw bumukas. Ah, garahe. Ah, sige. Pretty normal. Now let's start into the list. Let's have a please help. Meeting of sitter sound at the beginning of Mr. Good. Saan mo delete mo yun? Delete. Kapag ako. Tapos kasi yun naman mix. Tapos. Ang pagkakas. Federal Investigative Bureau. I need to ask you a few questions. Sure. What is this about? There have been reports of this disturbance in this area. Disappearance is the phenomena. We're conducting an investigation. Yeah, I heard everything fine here. Just taking out the trash. Are you sure? We have reason to believe there's more to the neighbors than meet this eye. Yeah, 100% just taking out the trash, you know. Alright, but keep your eyes and ears open. We need to get to the bottom of this. Of course, we'll do things, Inspector. No problem, stay out here. Grabe ka naman manggulat. Pwede ka naman kumatok. Yan. Okay. Pagsustahin. Putik ang dilim. Sino pumatay ng ilaw? Buksan mo yan. Ayaw? Alam mo yung arayo eh. Kaya naman. Let's grab something to eat and go to sleep. Okay. Kaya tayo Diba yan? Paano natin dito ba? Takbo tayo. Or dito yung sa... Uli ba? Mhm. Video at least what's going on. Sino yun? Hindi mo na makita. Uy! Saan sumusulpot ah? Rubber ducky. Uy! Putik ka! Pangit ng mukha. I keep running until I reach the nearest police station. While investigating, the authorities found Marcos' lifeless body in his house. Meanwhile, Maxim remained in the stop in the garage back outside his house. Dear neighbor, Sabo has disappeared. Under similar circumstances, please remains have yet to be found. Despite the eerie scratches on the walls and howling around the no trace of the original is evidence discovered. The case remains unsolved, leaving an unsettling mystery behind. Thank you for playing my first ever online horror game. Tapos na pala yun. I hope you enjoy playing as much as I enjoy making it. I will be releasing more horror games in the Nightmare Files series. You can stay up to date on my YouTube channel, Raycast TV on Twitter. Thanks, Maxine. Ganda. Is, isa lang yung jump scare. Lang. Yun lang. So, dito na magtatapos sa aking video at sana ma-enjoy kayo. And maganda yung laro na yun. Ma, so, so let's like, comment, subscribe, and click the notification bell para sa akin mga na-upload na video. So, bye.